Hi, hello everyone. Let me introduce my name first. My name is Neni Murniawati. I am a productive culinary teacher for senior high school number 3 Bima Town in West Nusa Tenggara. And this time I would like to present about my presentation of handling guest conflicts or complaints. Okay, let's go to the next slide. The next slide I'm going to tell about there are several things on how to identify guest complaints. The first one about food quality. Sometimes the food quality served doesn't fulfill the expected standards. And second things guest complaints is the food taste is sometimes too salty, tasteless, and even spicy enough. And then sometimes the presentation of menu is not really accordance with the first order or let's say less attractive. The second things could probably happen about guest complaints is service. The restaurant staff is not friendly, less communication or miscommunication between restaurant and kitchen staff, and then the kitchen staff sometimes is not really professional in handling guest order. Okay, well, sometimes guests complains about cleanliness. There are several things could probably happen of the cleanliness, less of sanitation and hygiene in both the kitchen and toilet areas, and then the sanitation of restaurants quality is not appropriate with standard or based on SOP rule, and then the cutlery, silverware, and glassware unwashable well. And the next one, guest complaints about the price. The price menu sometimes too high is apparent as the quality given. There is a significant difference between price listed on the menu and paid in the end. And then the price of menu sometimes too expensive enough compared to the other restaurants with the same menu. Okay, mostly guests complains about the time. There are several reasons why they complains about the time. The first one, the menu made and proceed are taking too long enough in the restaurant. They cannot wait for any longer, and then the menu order served and came in long delay could bother the enjoying the dish. And once again, the guest cannot wait it too long. And then rush service and well organized. And the next one is about communication. Miscommunication between restaurant staff cause is not in accordance with the menu ordered and served. And sometimes the second things here happen, there is no communication about the availability of several existing menu on the list. And then sometimes could probably happen the restaurant staff doesn't give enough information about menu variation. Okay, well, the next guest complaint is about the situation or the atmosphere. Dim lighting or too much lighting could interfere when the customers eat. And the second reason, sometimes the layout of chair and table in the restaurant is not comfortable and little bit too close enough between one and another customer or guest. And then the third reason sometimes happen there is no air ventilation and it feels like there is no fresh air enough in the area of restaurant. And the next guest complains about food safety. The food served is taking so long put on the service table so that contaminated such as bacteria, toxic, and so on. And the second reason, there is no prevention of the dangerous disease. And the last one is less of safety procedures. Okay, well done. Here it is. I'm going to give one example of an handling gas conflict or complaint. This is the case. One case happens, a customer complained there was an error in communication between restaurant staff and causing a discrepancy between the order given and the one received. And then how to handle this case? I'm going to give the steps, the completion steps. There are the first response. Respond quickly to the complaint by apologizing for the inconvenience occurred by the customer and listen to the customer's complaint carefully and pay attention to the details conveyed regarding what makes him satisfied with the quality of the food. And the second steps is complaints clarification. Check customer complaints by confirming with the chef or staff who prepared the order. And the third one is the explanation and solution. Providing an explanation to the customer about why there was an error in communication between the restaurant staff, causing a discrepancy between the order given and the one received, and offering a solution such as replacing it with new food. And then the next step is compensation. Offer compensation to the customer as a form of apology for the inconvenience that happened. This compensation can be in the form of replacing dishes according to what the customer ordered at the beginning of the order. And the last step is follow up. Follow up with the customer after the problem is resolved to ensure that he or she is satisfied enough with the resolution and strengthen the positive relationship with the customer. Then increase the quality of additional training for employee staff. Maybe those are steps on how to solve the problem. So let me give you some solution for handling complaints. The first one, provide immediately respond to the guest complaints. The second one, clarify the problems happen sooner. Provide explanations and solution. Make it sure the guest is satisfied enough or not of the service given after the problems handled. And the last one, provide follow-up and giving some evaluation to the staff of the restaurant of the bad previous service so that the problems will not happen again in the. Well, here it is, the impact of customers' complaints. The first one is loss of customers. Dissatisfied customers are likely to look elsewhere to eat or drink, which can lead to lost revenue for the business. They may also leave negative reviews to their friends and family, which can reduce the number of potential customers. The second thing is poor or bad reputation. Customer complaints that they are not handled well can spread quickly through social media and online reviews. This can damage the overall reputation of the business and make others hesitate to visit. And the third one is losing trust. When the customers feels that their complaints are ignored or not taken seriously, they lost trust in the business. This can lead to decrease customer loyalty and reduce the like of them returning or recommending the business to others. And the last one, less of income. The impact of lost customers and bad reputation can result in a decline in revenue for the business. Thank you very much.